Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is cool. Gather all necessary tools, such as wrenches, a socket set, and a serpentine belt tool. Always wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical hazards during the process, ensuring your safety. Now, with the battery disconnected, carefully unplug all electrical connectors attached to the alternator. There are typically one or two main connections. Next, locate and remove the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block. Once all bolts are out, gently maneuver and remove the old alternator. Take a moment to inspect the surrounding area for any other worn components. With the old alternator removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert and tighten all the mounting bolts to secure it firmly. Reconnect all electrical wiring and connectors, ensuring they are snug. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt onto the alternator pulley, making sure it's correctly routed over all other pulleys. Before starting the engine, double-check that all bolts are tight and all electrical connections are secure. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your vehicle and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. The voltage gauge should indicate proper charging, typically around 13 to 1/2 to 14 and 1/2 volts. Listen for any unusual noises, confirming a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.